Thank you for taking the time to take part in our Program Advisory Committee. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn a little bit about the Institute of Technology. Let's take a look at the purpose and importance of our Program Advisory Committee. We take some time and we review the established curricula of the program. We look at the related program materials, the equipment and facilities. We discuss the achievement outcomes and what it takes to satisfy the ACCSC standards for accreditation. Taking a glance at the Institute of Technology's makeup, we currently have about 435 students. Some students attend school in the morning while others attend school in the afternoon or evening. Students will have a commitment of 4 days a week, while some students are committed to attending class 5 days a week. Our divisions of study include legal, medical, technical, and culinary. Program lengths are anywhere from 40 to 75 weeks, and the cost of our programs range between $15,000 and $35,000. Our campus is divided down into 3 buildings: the main building, the culinary building, and our classroom building. In total, we have 58,000 square feet of campus space.
The Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning program is an 8-module, 800-hour, 40-week program. The first class the students attend is a 5-week professional development course. Then they go into an HVAC fundamentals class. Then they attend the Introduction to HVAC concept class. Then they go into the basic refrigeration, heating, and air conditioning class. And then they go to advanced refrigeration, advanced heating, advanced air conditioning, and then they end the program with the EPA regulation and refrigerant handling class. In the professional development module, in this module, we get the students to be career ready and develop them to be competitive and successful in today's job market by expanding their knowledge and skills they will be using to gain a position with a potential employer. In the HVAC 1, HVAC fundamentals modules, in this module, we introduce the students to fundamentals of electricity to include power distribution, AC, DC, Ohm's law, components, magnetism, electrical quantities, and measurement. Students will be able to recognize various types of motors and analyze, construct, and troubleshoot electrical schematics. In the HVAC 2 Introduction to HVAC Concept module, in this module, students will take the Cal OSHA 10-hour safety exam through Click Safety. The students will also learn the theory of refrigeration and learn the safe handling of refrigerants, learn how to read electrical schematics, and will learn the 4 basic components of refrigeration, which include the compressor, the condenser, evaporator, and metering device. In the HVAC 3 Basic Refrigeration, Heating, and Air Conditioning class, in this module, students will learn the concepts and physical properties of air and air distribution, the theories of heat, matter, energy, and heat load calculations. The students will expand their knowledge of Boyle's law, Charles' law, and universal gas laws. In the HVAC 4 Advanced Refrigeration module, in this module, students are introduced to commercial refrigeration concepts to include special refrigeration systems, expansion devices, and their applications, and build on their troubleshooting skills. In the HVAC 5 Advanced Heating module, in this module, students will explore heating in more detail, including electrical and heating, the principles of forced air, different types of furnaces, and pilot lights. In the HVAC 6 Advanced Air Conditioning module, in this module, students will learn about air conditioning principles, air distribution, comfort levels, the installation of air conditioning units, and air ducting. In the HVAC 7, the EPA regulations and refrigerant handling class. In this module, students take their EPA 608 exam, learn safe system evacuation techniques, and various types of tubing and piping system used in the field. Students will also learn about the methods of recovery and reclaiming refrigerant handling and learn proper techniques for evacuating and recharging the system.
Hi, my name is Marissa Marzan, and I'm the Director of Admissions for the Institute of Technology. 2020 has shed light on the need for distance learning. We are considering moving our programs to a blended educational model. Students would continue to learn on campus, but at times would learn remotely. Do you think any part of this training could be completed online? If yes, what parts of the training are best suited for distance learning? And do you see any benefits or drawbacks to distance learning?
Hi, my name is Carol Smith. I'm the Director of Education here at IoT. Here are a few questions that are required by the school's accreditor, the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges. If you could take a few moments and jot down any questions that you have for further discussion. The first question: does the course content reflect what graduates must know and be able to do in current occupational settings? Should any topic be added or removed from the subject matter? What skills are most important to you as an employer when you are hiring? Is the length of time required for training appropriate to meet the program objective? Is the course sequence appropriate to achieve the program objective? Do you feel positive about the school's method of training? And finally, what makes an employable graduate?
Hi, my name is Tim Kern. I'm the Director of Career Services at Institute of Technology in Clovis. Outcomes reporting are a key consideration in determining the effectiveness of our programming. Two important criteria that IoT is required to report are statistics on completion and placement. Completion being what percentage of our students that begin the program complete the program, and placement, what percentage of our graduates are employed in their field of study. For 2019, our HVAC program had a completion rate of 73% and a placement rate of 91%, and in 2020, the completion rate was 74% with a placement rate of 78%. The ACC requirements for these two categories are 60% for completion and 70% for placement. Since the Career Services Department deals with the needs and expectations of employers in the area, I have a few topics of discussion for you. First off, what can our graduates expect as an entry-level salary after completing our program? What are the expectations you might have for graduates entering into the entry-level positions in regards to technical skills, cognitive skills, communication skills, and professionalism?
This is Ron Gardner, the campus president of the Institute of Technology, and I want to take a moment to thank you for your participation. Your help and guidance allows us to deliver the best education possible to our students. We look forward to seeing you in future PAC meetings. Thank you.